Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabenta ke jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na benta ke jingpuli ke jingseo ka baret but hila ban legu ban puli da ke education loan. Hila ruban syukola hu number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu license, riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit ha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan uba Avner Pariat ubade ukertong jong Voice of the People's Party na East Shillong constituency hak election ke barang syudam ula Pynrem jur ya ke jing Kawang mau jong urunar ubala ra daka white beno hak Ïing jong ke MLA ke East Shillong constituency ke Dr. Ampareen do ke balong ru ke menteri jong ke sarkar jala. Ha ukerwa bala phak sikila pathai kubor lengba ka video uba Pariat ula ong ba kum kini kijat jingja ki peni ya ka jingduna ha ka imlang ka salang bat kum ka imlang ka salang ka don kam ban khmi hapok mensim ya ki daw ki ba pelong kum ni ya ki khna samla khnang ba ka namja shu hadien habun
halor kani ka jingja ka ba susi ka ba menin ka ba ja Ïing hasam jong kong Ampareen do ka ba DKK ka ba sakay ka ba ni kumpad ba ro ni de ban Pynrem namal bangilai I ba kum kini ki jingja ki la nang kiu hot le singi kendit penriu namal ba jai ki brio ki badana ka suki ki badana ka bor andrei kum kini ki jingja ki bon baham tak por ni I ba ni osngo ni puli ki ko bor man kasni ni don ka jing shapting ka jing kajing sungu serkei ban mi tang na halau te kawai ka pa ngahi bat na ka unit ru ngi kwa pensai ba makum kini kita jing ni Pynrem jor ni mla hi ban pediang nda dei manu ru kim dan hok ban le kum ni ya kibril kilap ni kim nisa kilap ni kemali kilap ni kibril baya madan ngali tisen kendo ngimde ban pediang ni kan namal bakani kapen siiri kibreo kapen shapting kasnong kataw kam sganjo wat ki disenken ki lalong menta mo ki bakenja tenga kentu tang ye ki pulet nga kentu ki kasnong kataw ki pat baru baki day ban long try hino ya kilin disenken ya la kasnong kataw ya ki yogi hat namal balada ngihi kum ki pat ba ngimmi ngimdon menta ngim pensengan ni kita jaka tikin mi hi kini ki basni opat ki ban wan ki ban kini ya kini ki jaka jungi te mentang nilai I bakibon bagi jingma ki balanang mo bagi ber ki kran haru kat no bengin ri halaki yang kisam ni dei ban pensengan namal kata kani ka jingjaru hot ka pensai ngi bagi don ki jingma tambah ka don ka jingya dei ru le se kini sat bakani ka jing pasang jongka district administration man khang no ki dukan ya ki restaurant ki hotel ha post po budget kata ngam ngalak ban pediang ban ngalak penmi statement lo kata ru ki la patai kubor namal balong po budget karang de kapor ka babun bagi ke yau hadu kala nangkiu menta bat ki berkila kamtam ki samla ki sula mi kam jan mien te kita ki ke ji sha ka kata te ka kamai ka ji jung ki breu ka jing yo jing kot hapong ngila poi mentang ngila sai ngila kiu ngila mi haru kata haru kani ka level bali bantan biang sadin te yo I pinumla ban bu pulit hamman ka snok tau pinumla ban penrung pulit hamman ka tliu yeng te ka bhahi ban pensangan gin yu pa te kani ka jingja hot ka di ka basosi tangba kumanglaong kadon kay te ka ba ni kumu ba hi kum ka imlang salang hi haban pet hapo mensim jong baki don ki jingduna le se ni kloi than ban sukhang ni kloi than ban te ban khom le se ni haban wan no ka moi ka linti le se ni haban long ki bakam yar ka jmo jong pakhan ngam tip ngin ha berkat ha jeliu habun bhagiliang ngam kwa eka shalong ka ba mo kadika wainiki sharak ha ka north east sungi bahkan kelalong pat kum kiwi jaka ha ka ba ka tu ka sharak ka light ka jingshai ka laja kam de manong kum ta but ni kum ki nong song de man penyang ya kata te itai di wei jing ke tu jonga mo but ka jing I mean same ru le sei ko Ampareen bawat la ka laja kum ni to mo wanum sngoe wanum tieng wanum randien walang ngila penya kentho iwi halo ki politics handai kum ki brio pada telong ngimla ban pedyang kum kini ki ke but nakaliang jumi na unit ru ban na circle ngimla hi ban pedyang. But maybe there's a fundamental reason for that. There's a reason why all these issues, these big problems are now emerging and coming out to the front. Because of certain things that have failed in our society, particularly economic policy. They have failed. They have not gotten rid of poverty, of inequality. Inequality is a very, very serious thing, which not enough politicians think is a problem. We need to ensure that our ministers, our MLAs, our officers all understand that this is a very serious problem. Inequality is a very, very bad thing. And we need to address it, we need to tackle it, we need to battle it, eradicate it. That should be the aspiration. When that is done, when economic justice has been established, I'm very sure that all these problems that we are worried about now will slowly, steadily disappear. We have no more power as the people. Now is the time to change. Now is the time to move forward and to really soul search, I think. And we're going to have to be very brutally honest with ourselves, with who we are as a society. And if we have failed in some fronts, we have to correct it. But we have to be brave to look first.